you'll become so powerful that no one will be able to tell you what to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Masters EX hack. So this is for iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you. As you can see, we're broke, but in the mod menu we can turn on free gems. So I'm going to turn it on just to show you guys this actually works. So now the gems should start increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download. This is super cool, and it works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, the gems have not started increasing, but they should start increasing momentarily. So let's see what happens, and hopefully it does start to go up. So let's see what we get. We're not going to get upset, and bang guys, there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. All right, so first things first, we need to go to matrixmods.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in. Actually, no, it's tweakmod.com. Sorry about that. So I'm just going to type this in right here. So now go search bar, type in Pokemon, and you should see the Pokemon Masters EX. So go ahead and press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, and this will install the mod into your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, but let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so yeah, it's just loading up right now. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully works for iOS and Android. So yeah, you can see the little symbols right there. So yeah, this is insane, bro. So we're just gonna let it load here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna give it a second to load up, and then it's gonna take me to that last step, which is the verification. So as you can see, it says missing files. So I just have to download like 2 of these. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, will be good to go. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, my gang.